Hi, I'm Sharil, and I'm going to help you to answer the case study 1 about simple interest. The question info that has been given is, Kia invented RM2000 into an account when she was 18 years old. The simple interest rate was 7%. Find her age when the money in the account accumulated to RM4800. So the first question is asking to state the value of P, S and R. First thing you need to do is, what is P, S and R? P is principles, S is simple amount, and R is rate. After that, what you need to do is just to find the answer from the question info that has been given. And finally, the answer gonna be P is equal to RM2000, R is equal to 7%, but you need to convert it into decimal and it will be 0.07. And for the S is equal to RM4800. So that's how you're going to answer the question. Let's move to the next question.
Second Roman, it is telling you to calculate the age of Kia at the end of investment. So, what we need to do first is basically just listing down what is P, R and S. I have listed it down as you can see. P equals to RM2000, R is 7%, but you will need to change it to decimal and it will be 0.07. And S equals to RM4800 for your information. P is principal, R is rate and S is simple amount. Other than that, we shall begin now. The first step is writing down the formula. For this question, the formula is I equals S minus P. Then we will fill in with the numbers that we have listed down. A should be I equals RM4800 minus RM2000 and then calculate it. The answer will be RM2800. That's for the first step. Secondly, you will need to find T. I have wrote down the formula that we will need to find T. That is I equals to P times R times T. Then list down the needed points and it should be 2800 equals 2000 times 0.07 times T. We will need to move T to the left and 2800 to the right. 2800 will be converted to divide and then you can start calculate. First, you will need to times 2000 and 0.07 and the answer will be 140. Then, you need to divide 2800 with 140 and the final answer should be T equals to 20, which is 20 years old. That's all.
Okay, next for the third question. The question is asking to find the amount of interest earned at the end of investment period. On the left side is the value of each word that we already find before. We put it at the side so that we can refer to it easily. So the first step is you need to know the formula to find the simple interest. They have two formulas that we can use. First is S equal to P plus PRT, and the second one is S equal to P bracket 1 plus RT and bracket. I'm going to use the second formula. Next, you just need to change the PRT to the value that we have already find. And it's going to be S equal to 2000 open bracket 1 plus 0.07 times 20 close bracket again. The next step is settle the times first and you will get 1.4. After that, plus the number inside the bracket that is 1 plus 1.4 and the answer you will get is 2.4. Lastly, you need to do is 2000 times 2.4 and the answer you will get is 4800. So, S equal to RM4800. After that, to find the amount of interest, the formula is going to be I equal to S minus P and it's going to be S is RM4800 minus P is RM200 and the final answer for the amount of interest earned is RM2800.
Okay guys, to the next question. It is asking how much was the initial deposit. Okay, first of all, you will need to list down what is I, R and T. Here, I already wrote it down for you. Oh, and by the way, that's the formula to do the answer. Other than that, we shall start now. You will need to write the numbers for which the symbol indicates to, like for I, it is 250,000, R is 0.065, and T is just 8. That's for the first step. Second step is you will need to times 0.065 with 8 and you will get 0.52. After that, you need to divide 250,000 with 0.52, the answer that you just got. And the final answer should be Rm 480,769.23 cents. Simple and easy.
Home Decor offer discount of set dining table 55% from Rm 495. We need to convert 55% into 2 decimal places. Case number 2, 1 Roman. Given discount for Rm 495 and rate 0.55. Now, the question is asking value of the list price. The formula discount equal to list price times rate. To find the list price, Rm 495 divide by 0.55. By using this formula, we can find the answer of the list for a set of dining table, which is 900. 2a second Roman. The question asks to find the net price of a set of dining table. Given the list price of Rm 900, trade discount 0.55. The formula is net price equal to list price times 1 minus trade discount. You may fill in the number based on the formula given, which is 900 times to 1 minus 0.55. Then the final that you will get is 405 ringgit.
Case question 2. The list price of a television in Rm 4195. After a series of discount 10% and X%, the price become Rm 2265.30 cents. The question is state the value of L, NP and T1. So let's go find the answer. First, find the L. L same with LP. LP is list price. So the answer is Rm 4195. Second, find the NP. NP is net price. The answer is Rm 2265.30 cents. And lastly, find the trade discount. So 10% is 0.10. Okay, next question. Find the value of X. Firstly, follow the formula. So, NP is 2265.30 and LP is 4195. In bracket is 1 minus T1. D1 is 0.10. And next bracket 1 minus D2. D2 is X%. Okay, next. So 1 minus X% move ahead, and then 1 minus X% equal 2265.30 divided by in bracket 4165 and 0.9. Calculate all them and get the answer. The answer is 0.6. 1 to find X% is 1 minus 0.6 and then calculate and get the answer. The answer is 0.4. 0.4 is 40%. So X% is 40%.